Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a little liquor display rack cabinet stand thingy, and this is what it is here. Looks like it's going to require a little bit of assembly to get it together, but it's nice and wood looking here. So this is it here. It looks like it's got little rubber feet so it won't scratch my table. Here's another piece, and then we have the different rack pieces here. So it looks like everything's going to need to be screwed together here. Oops, I just dropped everything on the floor. Let's get all the pieces out here. There we go. Nice solid wood, that's for sure. And then here, so I guess the dowels will hold it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and aim you guys down as I assemble this. And we will assemble it together here and figure it all out. Let me move my stuff out of the way and I'll get you going. And that's what it looks like, full of some booze. Fits perfectly in my cabinet here. I can close it up so people don't see it when they don't need it. And then there we go. Lots of booze will be able to fit in here. Super cool.